Hello viewers, welcome to the Goals. Today my topic is Interactive Connector Tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use Interactive Connector Tool in CorelDRAW. So we use Interactive Connector Tool for joining two objects with a line. I have some objects, so let's see how it's work. First go over here and select the Interactive Connector Tool from here. Now see the property bar first. From here we can change the object position, then we can change the object size from here. We can change the scale factor from here, and from here we can change the angle of rotation. Then we have mirror buttons. Now we have two types of connector, like straight connector and angled connector. So first select angled connector, click on node and hold the left mouse button and drag it like that and release the mouse. So you can see now we have a line and now they are connected with each other. First increase the width of line so you can understand easily. And if I moved an object like that, so you can see this line is moving with this object, and we can change this line style. Like from here we can add start arrowhead selector, then we can change the line style from here, and we can add end arrowhead selector from here, just like that. Then we have straight connector. Select this one and click on node and hold the left mouse button and drag it like that. So you can see now we have straight connector and circles are connected with each other. So first change the line style. And apply. So you can see the straight connector is moved with this circle. So in that way we can use Interactive Connector Tool for joining objects. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.